I'm Michael Bain and welcome back to Triggered, coming to you from the secret hidden bunker in the Rocky Mountains. Today is our second of 3 shows on the 2025 SHOT Show, and it's a good idea with something that I think was an absolute right down the center home run from EOTech and Vudu. As you know, Steve Clifford and I have been working now for years on general purpose rifle, general use rifle. What we're trying to do is expand the old concept of the scout rifle, Colonel Cooper's concept of the scout rifle, into a little bit more modern technology. One of the stumbling points we've come up against is glass. We haven't had the kind of scope that we wanted, specifically a lighter scope, a smaller scope, a shorter scope. We could have all those things, but we could never have them together. This is from EOTech Vudu, one of their Vudu scopes. It is a 3:9 second focal plane, and it's illuminated, which I find an absolutely amazing trick. It comes with a standard, you can get a standard kit where you can mount a red dot sight either off to the side, which I would prefer. You know, from 3-gun we learned a lot about rotating and coming back, rotating, coming back. So on a 3:9 scope, you got the 1X red dot. If it's up close, you can deal with it on a rotation. You come back. But look at the length, look at the size of this. The overall weight of this scope and mount is 16 ounces. You can barely tell it's on the rifle. So I am really looking forward to this. This is something that I'm going to lay my hands on as quickly as I can. I suspect we'll use it on a hunting trip. I suspect we'll use it at gun sight in a class, because I think this is one of the big home runs of the show, and I want to get it out and put it out, let people see how it performs actually in the field. So EOTech Vudu, figure it's about, with the red dot sight, about 1,400 bucks. Just the scope itself is about $1,000, which is a good price for modern optics. I can't wait to try this guy out. Okay, we're here, SHOT 2025, the MTM Case-Gard booth. You know that I've managed to transfer almost all of my life into big plastic cases. And sometimes I'm not sure what's in them, but periodically my girlfriend will say, could you go get some more MTM cases and take the stuff off the floor of your office? And what I always say is a manly thing. I say, yes, dear. But one of the things you're going to see coming from MTM Case-Gard is a little bit more room. This is, I'm just going to go ahead and say it because I know what you're thinking. I could probably hide part of the body in there. But the key thing is, these things are as close to indestructible as you can get. I used them shooting 3-gun, which means I was constantly throwing them around, throwing them over here, doing that. Excellent. Also, deeper partition cases. Once again, the earlier partition cases is what I used in 3-gun, because there's so much gear. I wanted it all in a place where when I got to the range, I could figure out where it was, what I needed, how to load it. You know, I never lost a shotgun loader because I always kept it separate in partition boxes. So if you're having trouble sorting your life out, you can sort your life out with big plastic boxes from MTM Case-Gard. Trust me on this.
You know the RAIA 5.0 packs radically new innovations, but we didn't stop there. Introducing the RAIA 5.0E. The E stands for enhanced, as in new optics cuts and plates. The updated barrel is crafted with improved materials and slide geometry. The look and feel is also enhanced. Plus, new lightning cuts show off the updated match grade barrel. Experience the enhanced RAIA 5.0E today.
These are guns you've always heard of, but you simply have not been able to see, or you've only seen pictures. Lisle Commando Carbine, but here's the difference. This one's new. This is one that you can own. Everything here is being manufactured by these guys, and they're doing an amazing job. This suppressor, it's a beast. It's a beast of a suppressor. It's welded to the barrel, so that's only like one transfer fee, one $200 fee. It's sighted in for you with 230 grain ball, so that's exactly what you always wanted. If you're a groundskeeper on a golf course, trust me on this, you want this so badly, because you know, even the golfers will stop for a minute and go like, holy cow. This is a cool gun. Everything is new, everything is manufactured. It's a gun that, boy, you'll be passing on to your heirs.
If we look at trends in semi-automatic pistols, especially semi-automatic pistols designed for concealed carry, one of the things we see is after the great Micro 9 revolution 10 years ago now, the semi-autos got a little larger, and the reason they did is people discovered that little wasn't necessarily best, especially when it comes to shooting the guns. I'm at the Stoeger booth here at SHOT 2025, and this is new for the year from the STR line. Now, I've been following the STR line of Stoeger pistols since they were created, and the simple truth is, it's probably the best value striker-fired 9mm available. Huge choices. This is the choice for the year, and it is a thin line gun. It's 1/10 of an inch thinner than the micro guns that you've seen before, but a little bit longer grip. And what happens with this slight bit thinner, you would be surprised at how that changes how the gun fits in your hand. It's a lot easier if you've got smaller hands, and as you guys know, I got girly man hands, right? I don't have those big beefcakes like, say, I don't know, Greg Elliford's, but basically the grip fits really well. Secondly, with a slightly longer grip, you're looking at 14 rounds in the magazine, a 16-round magazine also available, and a compensator. Now, one of the things, and this kind of surprised me, it's a major trend, that concealed carry guns have compensators. That is, a muzzle brake on the end that reduces recoil, reduces rise, and makes the gun a little bit easier to shoot. If you're shooting a smaller, lighter pistol, even a little bit of gas going out here is going to make the gun a lot easier for you to shoot, which means when you practice, and I hate to be the one to tell you, but it doesn't matter what size the gun is, you have to practice with it. The easier it is on your hand, the more likely you are to practice with it. So, smaller platform, fits well, excellent capacity, compensator, obviously, you can put any kind of red dot sight on it you want because the world has become red dot sights. And from a company that's been doing this a long time, the Thin Line from Stoeger.
This week's Triggered is brought to you by Rossi. The legend continues. Stoeger. Everyday tough. Hunter's HD Gold. They change so you don't have to. And MTM Case-Gard. Quality shooting sports accessories.
You saw when we visited the Cedar City, Utah factory for Rock Island Armory, and one of the things they told us was they would begin building their TAC Ultra series. That's their top line 1911s, assembling in the United States. This is a version of one of the assembled in the United States TAC Ultras, 9mm, larger capacity, already fitted with a sight. Interestingly enough, that's one of the C&H Precision competition sights. Beautiful gun, beautiful finish. We talked about that at the Cedar City factory, that the guns themselves there are being finished to a very high level, but these are now the first ones coming off the line and available for sale. This is a prototype of a multi-caliber revolver, the MC6, and these tubes can be anything from, I guess, 22 up to even something like 5.56. If you look at this cylinder here, the different calibers that this gun would chamber, 9, 222 Magnum, 357, 38 Special, 45 ACP, 45 Colt, 410, 223. You know, it's a little clunky, but you already know I would buy this, right? I wouldn't even wince when I bought it, and I would have it Cerakoted in some really strange purple. But the great thing about SHOT Show is this is where people come to show ideas. Not all those ideas make it to guns, but a lot of them do. And then when they do, people like me buy them. Michael Bain, SHOT 2025. As always, you can find Triggered on michaelbain.tv always for free. You can find us on YouTube, on Rumble, on X, almost everywhere on the internet. So no reason not to tune in. We'll see you next week.